Hi, I'm Abhishek Tyagi. I'm a mechatronics engineering student. I own a website named roboticswithpython.com, or you can say www.roboticswithpython.com. Roboticswithpython.com is an organization of programmers including students and professionals who aim to artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning and Internet of Things based product development. We also run various workshops, seminars, webinars, and other tutorials for students who wish to learn application-based programming. Besides, we also explore and innovate by applying programming in our daily lives and further promote our innovation on various platforms including social media. We are registered with MSME, aka Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Ministry Government of India. Here we are creating a world-class artificial intelligence-based web understanding for those who are looking forward for career in this field. We give them a detailed understanding of each topic they are looking for to start learning the same thing. We are making a world-class artificial intelligence education accessible to people around the globe so that we can all benefit from AI-powered future. Break into AI. Our main objective is to master the world in artificial intelligence using the technique of machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. Anyone can contribute to us with their time and their precious knowledge because education is free to all. If you ever visit on my website, my first article you will find artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence term was coined by McCarthy in 1956. The term was made by two ideas of McCarthy. First, intelligence, and the second one is artificial device. The ability to deal with cognitive complexity, or in other words, it is ability to apply knowledge and skill to do same kind of task. The word artificial was used as a prefix to show the machine computer intelligence in a field of computer science AI, sometimes known as machine intelligence, is demonstrated by machine to function like human brain. The artificial intelligence is much complicated as human brain itself. It is an idea of computer science to replicate the human brain. The term artificial intelligence is often used to describe machines that mimic cognitive function that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Any machine in this world that takes any action that changes its working process as perceiving an environment change is associated with artificial intelligence. And the subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning. And in the same way, deep learning is the subset of machine learning. Let's have a look on machine learning. It is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the machine to change its working condition and improving itself by previous experience by the use of programming and algorithmic approaches. Machine learning is a mathematical, algorithmic, and statistical approach in which machine trained on sample data, also known as training data, to perform a task without being technically pre-programmed or explicitly programmed to a certain task. Machine learning algorithms are used in a wide variety of applications such as computer vision, email filtering, reinforcement learning, etc. The subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, and the subset of machine learning is deep learning. Now, let's have a look on deep learning. As we mentioned, it is a subset of machine learning and an approach of computer science to mimic the human brain by making the artificial neural network to perform the given task in a different condition and the environment and learn itself by experience and by giving some amount of data. It uses multiple layers to process the data information to extract the desired result or higher level feature from raw data. Artificial neural network, or you can say ANNs, is computing system were inspired by biological human brains neural network. It is also trained on some data same as machine learning approach but uses multiple layers of nodes, also known as neurons. to filter or extract the higher level feature data. The deep learning applications are everywhere, like face recognition, voice recognition, 3D construction, pattern identification, etc.